The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
This is Habour View. We've complained about the gully and the debris in the gully. Now, no vehicles can pass to the airport, as I have said, which was televised on TVJ, with Habour View residents having problems with our walls being down and our back walls perhaps being torn down, more people having lose their walls. And now, as you can see, this is the main road. This is the road in Habour View that leads to the airport that vehicles will have to travel on. Habour View residents will not be able, and that is the gully, that is the water that you see moving forward. It is coming out of the gully from the back of Harbour Drive, homes, right out of the gully, because so much debris was in there. They were supposed to clean it, come back and clean it. This is a gully. This is a side view of it. And as you can see, it is already pretty full.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, the video that I just saw a while ago shows a flooding within an area that is known as Habour View. That place that is near to the airport, which is the Kingston Airport, that is Norman Manley International Airport. Yeah, well, there has been some things that has been said towards these whole flooding things that has been happening within the corporate area, you know what I mean? And we're talking about Kingston, Kingston and St. Andrew, viewers and subscribers, yeah. And bear in mind that Kingston and St. Andrew, when them talk about one is like the other, always go together, because Kingston's so small and they're so close, them just always say Kingston and St. Andrew in most of the times. So may I say to you, or some of the times I should say. But anyways, some of the things that have been said is that the flooding that has been happening within the St. Andrew areas, or you could say Kingston, St. Andrew, like I said, is because of the road work that had been going on, where you know that the road is being expanded and building new, new lanes, so that flow of traffic can be easy and all these things. So some of the people are saying that that is the cause of the flooding that has been happening in some areas within the Kingston, St. Andrew. Now, some people are directly saying that the flooding is being caused because the drains need to be cleaned. Now, the person went on to mention about the gully. Now, in my point of view, I think that this person is trying to say that the gully needs to be cleaned or something. You know what I mean? Right? Now, viewers and subscribers, this person also mentioned that cars seems to like they can't pass due to how heavy the water is with the whole flooding that is going on from the rainfall. Please bear in mind that these things that I told you, that what has been said that could have caused the floodings to be happening within Kingston and St. Andrew area, none of these things had been confirmed, it's just things that people speculated that could have caused it, it's not a sure thing. All right, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you to make you see what I go and keep you up to date and posted. I don't know Dancehall Skilla doing thing, so let me know what you think about something like this. All right, and as always, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see.